Hey guys, I am Torture Boy and you should know that or you are lost. Today we're watching Arrow Season 2 Episode 17. This is Birds of Prey. Let's go.
These are safe.
This is the SCPD! On the ground!
Oh, I do love this show. It's so cool. Nicely done. Ouch, that got hurt. Yeah, she's pretty badass with that. Holy crap. That's alright. You're dead, mate. You are dead. That's Oliver and his kill. Oh.
Nellie, my daughter sent you to kill me.
Nope. Nice try. How did he get out of prison then? What, did he break out? Or? I feel that would be a piece of exposition I just wasn't listening to.
Hey.
Dad, are you all right? Are you hurt?
Yeah, I'm fine, sweetheart. Listen, I know you don't exactly believe in reading perps and Mirandas, but you can't just toss a guy out of a window.
He shot you.
And I'm still here, ain't I? Just next time, show a little restraint.
That was me showing restraint.
Detective, we have another problem.
Yeah, I know.
Isn't this the alleyway behind Verdant?
Before she rose back.
Or am I not meant to notice that? Sorry, I'll shut up.
Who's she?
Helena Bernelli, daughter of mafia boss Frank Bernelli.
Or as I like to call her, Oliver's psycho ex-girlfriend hell-bent on revenge against her father.
Ex-girlfriend.
That's what you took from that sentence? Wait, why does she want her father killed so badly? He had her fiancé murdered. She wants payback.
With so many fights I've had with my father in perspective.
I've been keeping tabs on Helena over the past year. Last known sighting was a month ago, Palermo.
She's
What,
been busy.
distance?
If by busy, you mean torturing and killing mafiosos that might know where her father is?
Bernelli's arrest just hit the wires. How long do you think we have before Helena books a ticket back home?
Not long. Jeez. Pretty crazy. You've got to stop punching him. That's really rude.
Go ahead, Slade. He's not. Why aren't we moving yet? We managed to repair the hull, but the engine's too
What are they
damaged.
doing to him?
So fix it. I can't. Damn, I don't know how. Then find somebody who does. God!
Hey! You shouldn't ever shoot someone through the hand.
Don't hurt me! Stand down. Stand down. Don't hurt me, Speedy! Enough!
You just call him Speedy.
He's just Helena's decoy. Where is she?
I don't know. Some chick just paid me to take
That
the
was
car
his
for a
name in the
joyride.
comics, wasn't it? Speedy.
I swear.
So why'd you shoot him in the hand?
Please don't kill me. I'm getting married next month.
Oh,
Just drive.
here she is. I
Non-lethal
think
arrows?
he's gonna say yes.
It's not like you to play with kid gloves.
He doesn't want to hurt her.
How's Roy?
Like Helena, he is not too pleased with my skills as a mentor.
Laurel won't drop the case. She's headed to court right now. And where are you going?
To the courthouse.
Well, hey, you forgot your baby arrows. Look, I get your whole no-killing spree, but if it comes down to saving Laurel or killing Helena...
Sarah, those aren't the only two choices.
Well, you were happy enough to let Dig take the kill shot when it was Slade threatening your family.
This is different. I failed, Helena.
I failed Slade as well, kind of.
Yeah, well, you created Slade too.
There we go.
You're right. You're right. But when it comes to our families, neither one of us thinks clearly. Which is why you have to stay here.
Ollie, I can't.
I'm not gonna let anything happen to Laurel.
I like having a
love her
big
too.
group in the downstairs basement place. Where the hell's Malcolm?
What do you
He's
guys
so
think?
long.
Oh, I think if the Huntress shows up, you should totally kick her ass.
Yeah. I love how they both disagree with Oliver straight away. That's brilliant.
Bertinelli, put down your weapons and place your hands above your head.
That's why they.
So this was a big trap. With you as the bait. What do they offer you?
They didn't have to offer me anything.
Give up, Miss Bertinelli. The building is surrounded.
What was it you always taught me, Daddy? Be prepared for anything.
Oh! Come on, this is mental. So she went around and got some guys of her own.
Take hostages and fall back. What about the other hostages? You're just gonna leave them?
I need to get you to safety.
I don't understand. What is so special about me?
What's going on?
She won't leave.
I know, Helena. She's gonna kill all of those people, innocent people. You wanted me to show you I'm strong. This is me being strong. I'm staying. Are you gonna help me or not?
Get her out of there now.
It's not like I can just knock her out.
I don't want you engaging Helena.
Are you afraid of what she'll do?
No.
What I'll do?
Sarah, you're not a killer.
I am what I need to be.
Sarah, did you hear me?
I heard you. Hendrik's not here.
There's someone I'd like you to say hello to.
Don't give him anything, Sarah.
Ollie,
One last chance. Oliver for Hendrik.
I told you. Like, Hendrik, he didn't make it to the island. He drowned.
I think it was only a year ago. You're a little college girl fretting about boys.
What's your point?
You're not a good liar.
Slade! Stop, please! Look, he's your friend.
That is the sound of electricity surging through my friend. 5 milliamps to be exact. 7 courses
Holy
cardiac
shit.
arrest.
Ooh.
Oliver just passed out with 6 milliamps. He will be delivered with a fatal blow of 7 in 1 hour if Hendrik is not standing here by my side. There's no way in hell I'm going back there.
I was almost married once. It's been an hour, and I'm a woman of my word. Just ask my father. Everything's gonna be okay.
Oh, Black Canary's kicking her ass. Oh no, Huntress is fighting back. Ah, foreshadowing or what?
Oliver sure does like to dress up as girls.
Nicely done.
But I know what it's like to lose someone.
Oh, poor Laurel. Did Tommy dump you?
No. He died. And I couldn't deal with it. So I became a drunk. Every problem I had, I solved with a pill or a drink. My friends and my family, they tried to help me, but I wouldn't let them. You don't have to do this, Helena. It's not too late.
Yes, I do. Because once you let the darkness inside, it never comes out.
Helena, I have your father.
I want 4-man teams, diamond formations. Move fast, shoot sharp.
Hell
One
yeah.
more thing. Vigilantes are not the law. If they're wearing a mask, they get a bullet. Let's move out.
It's really rude.
Vigilantes! You are not above the law!
This guy's got issues. I thought the green arrow never missed.
Last time this happened, I threw you out a window.
I was holding back. I won't do that again.
Let's go. Ooh. Oh, I do love shit like this. Holy shit, she was holding back and all. Watch out. Nicely done. Whoa, she was holding.
You're not a killer. You don't know who I am, Laurel. Not really. Then show me.
It was supposed to be me. It was supposed to be me who did it.
Oh well.
Go.
How did you get in here?
My family makes a generous donation to the policeman's retirement fund. Every once in a while, I get to call in a favor.
Maybe you could ask them to send me to prison somewhere tropical.
You know, I thought I'd feel different now that he's dead, but I don't.
Aww.
You always told me that killing him wouldn't change anything. You were right.
I was wrong, too.
About what?
I thought I could help you. To stop you from being a killer, but I was just starting. And I was a killer, too.
What are you now?
I'm trying to be better.
It's so stupid, but I keep thinking, now that he's dead, my father and Michael are together, and I'm still here, alone.
Aww.
You're not alone.
Right over there, actually.
I'm sorry.
He was doing it to push me away, which clearly worked.
Yes.
I don't know why. Why is it so hard for everyone just to tell the truth? I mean, Roy can't even tell me the truth of why he wants to end things with me. Mom, she keeps all of these secrets. I mean, doesn't it feel like she's still keeping something from us?
I don't know, Thea.
She's not keeping anything from
You're the only
him
one that
anymore.
doesn't lie to me, Ollie.
Oh.
You're the only one I know who doesn't keep secrets from me.
It's kind of not true at all.
I gotta go.
Okay, let me try again.
No, just want to be alone right now.
Oh, Thea.
Is she okay?
She will be. Eventually. You did good tonight.
That's what heroes do, right?
Nah. There's that anger.
It's a dangerous city. You shouldn't be out in the streets alone.
Mr. Wilson?
Please. Call me Slade.
Oh no. But I need to go get some more cake and watch this next episode. Thank you for watching very much, guys. I hope Thea doesn't hit anytime soon, because I do think she's an amazing character and she has a lot of potential, and maybe one day she'll become a superhero like her brother, although it's doubtful, let's be honest. So thank you for watching very much, guys. I will see you in the next video. I love you all.